If you're somebody who works in law, have you ever found yourself deep in the night slogging through excessive lengthy legal documents? This is probably very familiar for you if you're working in the legal field. Now you might be wondering, oh, there's all these AI tools for content, SEO, social media, but what about law? Well, thankfully there are a lot of tools, several tools at least, that you can leverage AI to get your work done faster in the legal sector. So in this video, I'll talk about 5 AI tools for law firms or for lawyers. And I'm not sponsored by any of these tools. I just simply want to help more people stay prepared for the future by sharing them out. And if you'd like to share this video out to more people to help in that journey, give this video a thumbs up, I would appreciate it. And subscribe to the channel to learn the building blocks for this age of AI. So the first tool on the list is a tool called Lawgeex. It's essentially what you call a legal tech, which helps to automate a lot of the time it takes to review contracts, particularly for corporate attorneys. It's validated by major independent companies like Pepsi, eBay, HP, like Hewlett-Packard, or PwC. And it's an extremely useful AI tool that helps spread the process of reviewing high volumes of low-value contracts, such as non-disclosure agreements and service agreements. This allows legal teams to focus on more strategic tasks rather than having to spend so much time just looking to documentation. The tool supposedly on their website boasts an accuracy rate of 94% compared to 84% from corporate lawyers, and overall reduces the risk of human error. It also reports a 90% cost saving compared to manual review methods. And according to a Forrester report, it also provides a 209% return on investment and has saved over 6,500 hours in contract review and negotiation. Of course, this is all something that they've supposedly mentioned, but some of the key factors that you can kind of take note of is that, once again, their contract review automation, which is their main selling point, it uses patented AI tech to kind of review and redline legal documents based on predefined company policies. They also do provide some digital playbook integration, which enables the creation of different digital legal playbooks to kind of standardize how contracts are reviewed. And then the platform in itself also does have some analytical tools to help you make it a little bit more informed decisions about legal policies. And you can also integrate Lawgeex with existing tech stacks, including CLM and SCRM systems, which sort of helps you enhance the way that it's used and the flexibility with different corporate environments. And then there's a tool called Detangle.ai. This is another great AI tool that helps kind of simplify legal documents for you. As they say on their website, you can make sense of legal documents, right? So you can augment the process of understanding all of this legal long documentation in half the time. The whole point of this tool is not necessarily to replace attorneys, but to help people decipher complex legal jargon without necessarily having to rely on paying for legal professions alone. Of course, you can pay for a legal professional if things get a little bit deeper and more specific, but even for legal professionals, you can use Detangle to kind of speeden up the workflow in terms of understanding things. Some of the key features here is that it automates the summarization of various types of content, whether it's videos, audio, and text, and it reviews and analyzes large amount of documentation real quick. It also encrypts all of the documents that it uses in AES specifications, which assures that whatever user uses it, their data is never sold to third parties. Overall, when it comes to Detangle, they operate on a single one-off pricing model, which is based on the length of documentation you're actually using. The third tool on the list is a tool called PatentPal. It's exactly as the name implies, it's a great companion for patent drafting and simplifying intellectual property documentation. It's sort of as simple as just dragging and dropping a document into a browser and then generating specs and then figuring out with a single click what it said. The tool was founded by a patent lawyer who has great focus on machine learning, and it was financed by a Foothill Ventures, a tech-focused venture fund based in California, so you can know it is relatively legit. Some of the key features allows it for automatic generation of specifications, figures, and claims with just a click, so it streamlines the overall patent drafting process. And then you have the data visualization, which is something that this tool generates well, their flowcharts, block diagrams, and everything. And it offers you the option to customize phrases, allowing you to tailor generated content according to your preferences and specifications. Overall, PatentPal offers a free tier, allowing users to access the basic features of the tool without any cost. So this is a really great tool to kind of just test out if you are a patent lawyer. Next on the list is a tool called HumataAI. Now, it's not necessarily solely created for law firms and lawyers. It's actually an AI-based platform that kind of specializes overall in just searching, analyzing, summarizing information in PDF documents. You can just put your PDF in and it speaks with their chatbot to get answers on what the PDF is about or just any specific points and insights within the PDF. Securing a $3.5 million fund by Google's Gradient Ventures and other notable investors such as ARK Invest, you know that Humata isn't just an ordinary tool. tool, but it's actually trusted. Overall, it uses natural language processing to process content and provide immediate answers to your queries, and the platform also offers some user-friendly interface, which allows anybody to kind of just jump right in, whether you're a researcher, a student, or a professional, and then you can just kind of review large amounts of technical information from a PDF or a document, and also interact together with its chatbot. There are different pricing plans, of course, depending on your need, but for free use, you can get 60 pages analyzed. And then for a student, you just need to pay $1.99 per month to summarize 200 pages. And for experts, you have a low cost of $9.99 per month for 500 pages. And then anything above that, you usually need to pay like $99 per month. And then the last tool on the list is a tool called Amto, powered by GPT-4. It has particularly been trained on public and proprietary legal content data, so there's a great tool for anyone working in law firms or a lawyer themselves. It stands out as a valuable tool for legal professionals because it's top choice for over 2,500 law firms, corporations, and universities as a whole. And some of these corporations include Comcast, ABC, Verizon, MIT. Some of the key features that it has is that you are able to seamlessly integrate into different other applications like Microsoft Word and Outlook, which just makes it really convenient for lawyers to sort of draft and revise legal documents. And then the tool itself also drafts suggestions based on existing conventions and styles followed by the draft agreement. And it also enables lawyers to kind of concentrate on specific aspects of legal work by reducing their spend time on creating these little boilerplate templates or just working on repetitive tasks. And the tool assists in drafting clear language and flagging risks or unusual terms that are scattered throughout specific legal documents. Overall, the tool is a bit pricey compared to the other ones, and it starts at about $149 per month for a basic plan and $749 per month for a professional one. So there you have it, 5 AI tools for legal issues. If you found this video interesting, I'm sure that you'll also find the next one helpful because it has to do with AI tools for financing and accounting. So check out that video. And if this content here was interesting to you, make sure to like this video. It really helps the channel out, and subscribe to the channel so we can continue to navigate this digital ocean of AI together.